All right, so today's an exciting day. Today I have a good friend, Alex Moore. He was a great friend of my oldest son. They grew up together. He was kind of like our third son. He would come to the house and come through the door, not even knock. I mean, and we loved it because he felt so at home there that we just felt like family. And my son is grown and gone now, so haven't been in contact with Alex quite as much in the recent years. And so it was good when I heard from him the other day. He called up and asked me if I'd be willing to take him and his girlfriend fly them up around his farm. He's a farmer. And then afterwards, he's going to take her back to the farm after seeing the farm from the air, a nice little romantic flight, and he's going to ask her to marry him. Yeah, so, she doesn't obviously know about this, so you know about it before she does. And so this is going to be a really neat thing. Now she's, like I said, he's a farmer. She's a cardiologist. So yeah, he way outkicked his coverage on this one. But this is going to be real exciting. He's not going to pop the question in the air. It's going to be back on the ground, off camera, so we won't be able to show that on camera. But I will let you know how it goes, obviously. So anyway, we're going to be all, and so the auspices of this is that he's going up to help me with videography. I'm fairly new at this YouTube thing. He's a photographer. In his spare time, he does some things on the side with photography, and so it's actually somewhat legitimate in our deception here of her. But mainly, we're just getting her in the plane to have a romantic evening and then go back and for him to propose to her. So come along for the flight. You're in on the secret, she's not, and let's see how this goes. And so now I'm waiting. I'm here, I'm all ready to go. And I still got about 30 minutes before they show up. I don't really know who's more excited, me or Alex. All right, so today I'm taking a friend Alex and his girlfriend Leanne. We're going flying. Alex has been a longtime friend of my son since they were little. He spent a lot of time in our house growing up, and now my son's grown and gone, so don't see Alex near as much. So it's good to see Alex again, and I'm going to take him flying. He's going to help me a little bit, give me some ideas about the video and how to maybe do this a little bit better, camera placement, how to do editing and that sort of thing. And as a bonus, he brought his girlfriend, Leanne, and she's only flown a time or two in a small plane, so it might be interesting to see her too and how she likes it. And so anyway, we're going to go. It should be a beautiful night to fly, and just going to go and tootle around for a bit.
Everywhere I look around, love is in the air. Every sight and every sound.